this is Fiona with WTI, and I'd like to show you the coolest Bluetooth speaker ever. This is the JBL Clip 3, and the first thing that I love about it is that it has a built-in carabiner. So I like to hook it on my backpack while hiking, on your beach bag at the beach, or just anywhere that's real convenient. Second of all, it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about taking it outside and it getting ruined. It has this really nice protecting clip right here that keeps your charge port safe. Let me show you how to turn it on. You hold down this button right here and it'll make a noise. And then when it makes this noise, that means it's connected to your phone. All right, let me show you guys the sound quality on here. First of all, these buttons right here are your volume control, and then I can just hit play. So as you can hear, it's got great bass, the sound is nice and clear, all around really good sound quality. So all in all, I love how portable this is, the sound quality is incredible, and it's perfect to take on any adventure. And that's just my point of view.